Alright, I'm going to do a quick video on putting bowstrings on my new strings from Toad Terry Built Original Archery Designs. Going to be putting them on my PSC Full Throttle. These are a special blend mixture of different types of materials for a hunting application. I'm not going to talk during the video. I'm just going to get them put on so you can see how I do it, and any comments or suggestions, leave them below. Alright, go. Those are going to look awesome. So far it's just pretty straightforward. I know a lot of guys don't like to let the strings twist, keep them the exact same length, but I find with different spine arrows and different things, you gotta twist cables here and there anyway. You gotta do certain things, but I don't let them twist all over. I try to keep them exactly how they are, and I kind of lay them out. And now on the yoke or the bus, I believe it is, excuse me, you want to take note which is the, let me see if I can't rotate this here for you a little bit without messing this up. You want to take note of which is the short and which is the long. Saves you headaches and time when you're paper tuning, so you can get the cam lean just how it needs to be. So try to set this camera back up in the middle and her somewhat there. Help you to get to see that. So this is the short side and this one's more at an angle. So I'm going to kind of look at what I got going there and set them up. So I like to put a string on and then release it and get tension back on them to kind of stretch them in a little bit. It helps hold them in place. If you close everything in on the press and do all the strings, it starts falling off here, falling off there, you just end up with a mess. So I like to put the main string on, crank the bow in, take the olds off, put the main on, back the press back out, put tension on it, and do the same with the cable, and then come in and do with the bus. I'm going to crank the bow press back in, get tension off this enough to be able to, and my bow, by the way, I've already got it back from 72 to 66 pounds. PSC says take like 4 full turns out. I think I've got 3 and 4, something like that. So I'm fine with that. I'm not compressing the lens all the way, so I don't need to do that. But I'm going to take this off, and here we go. Okay, then before I do it one more time, I check to make sure everything's on all the sides, to the slide, not caught up on the stop, going here, and then I bring them back on out through. Make sure everything's in the side. Get enough pressure on it, and then just take it up, tighten it a little bit. So let's take a look and see. Let me take the camera out of here if I could. Give you an idea what we're looking at here. Show you how awesome these strings look on here. I mean, this is incredible. Look at that blue or that green inside the blue. Colorblind idiot. Just looks good. Just looks sweet. For my peep, looks really good. Wow, that's awesome. I didn't need to do that. I'll set my center shot, and I know I'm 5 3/16 up from my peep on this particular bow. How do I know that? Because I've got everything written here on my board. I got all my information of what it should be. So Terry, these strings look awesome, man. They look great. Can't wait to be shooting them. I am going to have to change my drop away cord from blue to probably have to put black on there. I've got some Yeah, I've got some black, so the black will look much better on there, I think, than the blue. Will go with the bow theme. It is very important to have your bow and all your components matching for sure. So that's how simple that is. I will do another video on the Target bow with its new green strings, and then I'll do a video on my hunting bow, my other hunting bow, with the original recipe, the white. I can't wait to see this. This is going to look phenomenal. I've always wanted white through my cams. This one is, these were the big thing, white strings with silver serving from another company, and yeah, I can't wait to see the white. So, okay, check back later.